Hi everyone, I am Warren, Product Manager at Arbor Technology. Live at Computex 2026. This is the HX6000. Whether it's a factory automation needing more computer performance for real-time data, medical imaging facing data delay issue, and private data language model employment, where data must stay on site. The challenge is the same. You need data center level performance directly at the edge. This is why we created the HX6000. It can bring the powerful performance into a compact edge system. You can get data center level performance right where you need, without relying on remote server rooms. It means you can run multiple AI models at the same time. The HX6000 was designed to help us solve the challenges. If you have any questions, please visit our website or contact our team. We will be happy to help.